Hey guys, Bob here from Bob's World. Yes, it's fall in Minnesota, which lasts about a week, and then it'll be about 30 below and a ton of snow. Okay, day 3, gate racing training. I'm going to fly right out of my little office here in my backyard, do a couple gates, and I'll talk about some things while I'm doing that I've found interesting in this journey of boning up. Hear the geese? Yep. Boning up on my gate, not even boning up, I'm not really a gate racer. This is, I've messed around with it, but November 8th, my first race, I'm looking at it, it's the Mighty Drones in Minneapolis here in the Twin Cities on Multi-GP. I'll put the link to it, but there's 11 people going so far, and I'm kind of excited. All right, let's go do a little practice here. I'll talk, ramble, whatever. But the first thing is, it's a little windy. I mean, I've been hampered a little bit by the wind and weather, but the first thing is I've been doing a lot of messing around with the rates. This battery's almost dead, guys. I've been doing a lot of messing around with the rates. The battery just came out of the drone. One thing I've been noticing is some of these batteries, I'm using these Tattoo-y or whatever they're called. I think it's my BTO 2.0 connector here, and like they slide off. It just slid off the end of the battery. So I gotta look into that, see what's going on with that. Maybe change out the connector. I don't know if it's been like stretched out or something. It's kind of weird. If you guys know, let me know. Maybe over time they start to get like that, maybe. Let's get back to it. So rates. I have been messing with those in the simulator, and also what I do is I do what I'm doing right now. I just kind of like mess with them in the simulator, and then go out and do a little test flight through the gates, see what's feeling right. And it's interesting because I've gone back and forth. I was like, let's do some more aggressive rates like I normally fly. But I did find that those did not work as well for the gate racing style of flying. So I went back to the 666 rates, and definitely less twitchy, but definitely I think are better for this style of flying through these gates. So that's the first thing. I am excited. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. I think it's like 7 to 10. It's gonna be in some. It's gonna be in a not old, but I guess recently closed fitness center, kind of a gym kind of deal. Like one of these 24-hour fitness places. What's cool? It sounds like there's gonna be LED lights, gates. That's gonna be fun. I've done that in the garage, but never obviously an official race kind of thing. The thing I'm working on here lately is I'm trying to fly not as far out from the openings of the gates. So instead of zipping all the way by like this, I'm trying to work on getting a little closer in. My battery's almost dead here. I'm just kind of sagging. Let's bring her into the flight center. Good landing. So I'm trying to work on being more efficient with my turns. This reminds me of it all sounds good. It's kind of like when you're let's say you're sparring, or not even sparring, but like Mike Tyson said, like you're doing the heavy bag, the speed bag, and it's all, you got to plan until you get hit. I think that's what it's going to be like, where I got to plan until I see that first drone in front of me, or the first or I'm in the backside and I bump into the first other TinyWhoop, and it's all going to be out the window at that point. Yeah, who cares? But I'm trying to work on, in the simulator and out here, not going so far over the gates. So just kind of staying tighter into my lines. What's the saying? Like slow is fast, fast is slow. So just kind of that was a little too far out, I think. I'm trying to stay closer in. So not as fast, but just kind of work on my technique There we go. A little better. Coming through a little ladder work coming down through here. Okay, I still got to work on that. Let's come on down through here. And then see, like, I wonder if I could actually, like, come around like this. And then what if I had to go back over this gate like that? That's not bad. Okay, that was pretty good. Not perfect. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. Like, I think, again, like 11 people says are signed up. So that's pretty exciting. I think the wife and I are going to go up a little early, have something to eat, and, you know, maybe I'll have like a cup of like raw eggs like Rocky. Stretch my thumbs out. Yeah, so just working on the smoothest of turns. Smoothest, let's take this in tight, bring it around, go up top, and then let's bring it down. Okay, all right, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. Okay. There we go. Just nice and tight, bring it around. There, like that. I just want to do that. Let's bring her in. Like I said, there's a little wind. There's my cigar. So it is a little bit of a factor. So it will be nice flying indoors where there's no wind and not getting pushed around that. So let's do one more and let's push it a little faster. Let's go for it a little bit. Let's do it. Okay.
Telemetry recovered.
Okay. Let's push it. Let's go. And you know, at some point I should actually memorize like a route, but I don't. I just kind of fly. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing. Like that. I knew I wasn't going to make that. Damn it, let's even flip it. Yeah, we're good. And I've been working on my flipping, my recovery, because I know I got to be able to do that in these races. Let's go down here. All right, good. Let's bring it around. Smoothness, let's work on that. I'm doing self-talk. Well, let's try this again. Back around, over, through. Okay, that was close. Let's bring it around, tight. Bring it around. Oh, no, I didn't like that line at all. Okay, that would have been a hit. Let's work on it. This is the other thing I got to work on is not always turning to you have a favorite side always. Mine's to the left. I got to start doing the right side like that. Okay, not bad. Let's take it through the tire of death. There we go. Underneath. Back around. Okay, feeling it, starting to loosen up a little bit. There we go. Now we're starting to zone in a little bit. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. God. Okay, that might be the end of the eco. Hold on, guys. All right. It looks like it. Let me look through the camera here. No, we're still one piece, man. These little TinyWhoops are so tough, man. All in one piece, nothing broke. I can't say enough, man. I love the roach, the new cockroach frames. I've had this one here now for a while. Bash it up, no brakes, nothing, but it's still light. Love this thing. Okay, that was day 3 of training for November 8th. Of course, I'm going to take my camera up there and film this. It should be a lot of fun. So guys, have an awesome rest of your week. Hope you get some flying in. Winter is coming here in Minnesota, so we got to find some indoor place we can rip. And we don't know what the answer to that is yet, but hopefully we can do that. So cheers, peace, guys. Thanks for subs and likes. Have an awesome day.